In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Adobe Acrobat Pro, the full version, completely free. Welcome, everyone. If you're on the hunt to use Adobe Acrobat Pro without having to pay right up front, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide that's both simple and straightforward, but stick around to the end for some additional tips. First things first, let's open up your web browser. Now, I assume you have one in mind that you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Firefox, or perhaps Safari. Once there, head to the search bar and type in Adobe Acrobat Editor. This should pull up a list of results, and what you're looking for is ideally going to be at the top. Go ahead and click on the first link that appears. This link will direct you to Adobe's official website, where you can find their products. Now that you're on the Adobe Acrobat Editor page, it's time to look for the option that reads Start Free Trial. Go ahead and click that. This trial will allow you to explore all the premium features of Adobe Acrobat Pro without any charge, but of course, it's only for a limited period. You'll find that it's a 7-day free trial. Don't worry, we're getting to the part where we make the most of it. When you find the Continue button after you've selected the trial, click on it to proceed further. As part of their process, Adobe will prompt you to enter some personal information to set up an account. Among these details, you'll need to enter your card information. Remember, this is a standard procedure even though it's a free trial, because they'll automatically charge you after your trial period unless you cancel it. Rest assured, they do allow cancellations before the trial ends without any fees. Creating your account is a simple process. Just enter your information as prompted and you should be set in no time. For those who prefer to use desktop applications, there's another option at your disposal, the Adobe Creative Cloud. If you're interested in a more integrated experience or just like having a dedicated app, just search for Adobe Creative Cloud in your browser and you'll find it quite easily. Download it and you'll be able to access Adobe Acrobat Pro through the app itself. And there you have it, folks. That's all it takes to get Adobe Acrobat Pro full version for free using the trial. Remember to mark your calendar with the trial's end date if you decide not to continue with a paid subscription. This little tip could save you from unexpected charges. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.